let's see how you can easily create an AI chatbot that can book appointments on WhatsApp. So here I'm in a demo account, and first of all you need to connect a WhatsApp phone number right here. So to do that, you have to simply click on a channels icon over here. It will take you directly to the channels tab over here in settings, and here choose WhatsApp. So here if you click on learn more, you have a guide on WhatsApp automation, and here you have a video on step-by-step guide on how to connect your WhatsApp right here, or you can actually create a new WhatsApp business account as well through that step right here. So you can actually follow this particular video and connect a WhatsApp phone number right here. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of automations on WhatsApp. So here to build an AI appointment scheduling chatbot, I'm going to use the free template. So go to the flow section and choose free templates over here. So here you will see this particular template, AI appointment scheduling plus customer support. So let me actually make a duplicate of this one right here. All right, and let's say we want to create an AI appointments booking chatbot on for this particular landscaping company right here, Greenscape Landscaping, which can actually answer any sort of customer's question and also book appointments as well. So here let me actually name that particular flow right here with this particular name. So here AI appointment scheduling, let me simply add this particular company name right here. All right, so let me open this particular flow right, and here you have instructions on how to use this one, and here you have to actually update the business information over here. So let me copy all the information about this particular company right here and simply delete this one and paste it. All right, so here we have added all the information about this particular business right here, and here you can also update any prompt instructions such as how the response gonna look like, and also for the appointments. As you can see, appointments can be scheduled from Monday to Friday 9 to 5 p.m. and if you want to change this time frame, you have to change this particular time frame right here. For example, let's say you can actually schedule from Monday to Saturday 9 to 5 p.m. and you also need to update this particular time frame in the appointments calendar as well. For that, you have to go to these appointments over here, choose this one, and here choose calendars, and by default you will see the test calendar right here, and open this one, and here when people can book, choose this particular time frame right here. So here from Monday to Saturday. So you can also update as like this. So for example, let me say 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. all right, so let me actually click continue over here. Make sure you publish this particular flow, and you also need to make this particular flow as a default flow as well. For that, you have to actually go to the settings over here. So let me go to the settings tab and default flow, choose that specific flow right here. All right, so here let me show my phone screen over here and send a message on WhatsApp. So let me simply say hi and see how this actually respond to us over here. So it says, hello, how can I assist you today? So let me say, who is the CEO? So here the CEO of this particular company is James Mitchell, and as you see, this is the CEO. Simple as that. So let me ask ask this question: what areas do you serve? And see how this actually respond to us over here. So we should see the areas they serve should be in this particular prompt as well. So here we probably serve these are the areas. They have all the areas. Great. What services do you provide? What services do you provide? So it should actually list all the services provided by them, and also it simply asks, would you like to book an appointment to learn more about offerings? So let me say, yes, I'm interested. So now it should actually collect a particular customer's name, email, and the preferred date and time for the appointment. And also it simply says appointments can be booked scheduled from Monday to Saturday 8 to 6 p.m. So let me say, great, my name is Robert Mark and my email is roberttest@gmail.com. Can I book an appointment for Monday at 11 a.m.? Alright, see here I provide all the details right here, and let's see how this actually works over here. And it says your appointment for the Monday has been confirmed. And now if we go to the inbox over here, it should show that particular chat along with the customer's name, the email and the phone number, and also the appointment is here. So you see a different time frame right here because it actually shows my time frame even though the appointment has been actually booked for the New York time 11 a.m. on Monday. Monday is actually February 3rd right here. So that's why it says it's actually booked an appointment for February 3rd, and you can actually track that particular appointments in the appointments manager right here as well. And this has the capability or allows the customers to easily cancel the appointment as well. So let me say, actually I got some work. Can you please cancel this appointment for me? So let me see, I ask the chatbot to cancel the appointment. So let's see whether if it actually cancel the appointment. So it says it has been cancelled. So now if I refresh this particular page right here, as you see, it's simply cancelled as well. So if we go to the inbox here, we don't see any sort of appointments as well. And from this inbox, an agent can easily jump in and talk with the customer as well. So let me say, and agent is here, and that should actually send us a message in the WhatsApp as well, as you see. And now as soon as an agent is sent a message from this inbox, the chatbot will be paused, and whenever a particular customer reply to your messages, they won't get any sort of responses right here because currently the chat is actually handled by an agent, and the agent has to actually respond to them from the inbox as well. So once they have responded, they can actually transfer this conversation to the bot as well. So now the bot is active. So if I send a message again, now for this hey message, the chatbot should actually respond because we have actually activated the bot right here. Simple as that. And that's a quick video on how you can easily book appointments on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.